Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Squad Busters on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Squad Busters and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Squad Busters listed, usually at the top. Tap on the Squad Busters game to open its details page. On the app details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download Squad Busters on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.